Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to listen an interesting story from your English Bal Bharti, Water in the Well. Let us begin the story. What a farmer needs most for his fields is a good source of water. Yes, the farmers require water in the fields. Without water, farming cannot be done. Qasim had his eye on a well that was just outside the boundary of his field. But Ahmed, the man who owned the well, was a crafty old man. Owned means the well belonged to Ahmed. Ahmed was the owner of the well. Crafty means clever at achieving one's aims by indirect or deceitful methods. He wouldn't allow anyone to draw water from his well. He told Qasim, "Why do you come to me again and again to beg for access to my well? I feel sorry to turn down your request every time. I have a suggestion for you. Collect some money and buy the whole well from me." Qasim thought over the suggestion and liked it. He knew Ahmed would ask for a lot of money, but he saw in his mind's eye channels of water running from the well through his field and made a decision. He took all his savings to Ahmed and bought the well. The next day, he went to the well happily and dug out a channel. But when he began to draw water, there was a surprise in store for him. Suddenly, Ahmed came forward and announced, "What are you doing, Qasim? How dare you touch the water in my presence?" "What do you mean? Haven't you sold this well to me?" "Ah, I sold the well all right, but not the water in the well. The water still belongs to me. You can't use it. If you needed the water along with the well, you should have said so. I have a suggestion for you. Pay the water separately and use it. You can buy fresh water every day. I don't mind." See how clever Ahmed is. He's saying you have bought the well, not the water. But how it is possible? Qasim was shocked to hear Ahmed's argument. It was so unfair, so unjust. He rushed to the Qazi and told him the whole story. The Qazi was a wise man. He told Qasim to bring Ahmed to his court so that he could hear both sides of the case. Ahmed was summoned to the court. The Qazi heard his argument patiently. Summoned is the past tense of summon. It means order someone to be present. I see that you are right. What you have sold is the well. The water is all yours. Isn't that so? Qasim's heart sank when he heard the Qazi's words. Ahmed, in his heart of hearts, was overjoyed. He had never thought the Qazi would side with him. "My lord, I am so grateful you understand the fine points of this case. The water does indeed belong to me. In that case, Ahmad, why are you keeping it in Qasim's well? You have no right to keep your belongings in his property. You must remove them immediately, or else you can pay a daily rent to Qasim. Then he will allow you to use his well. Ahaha! How cleverly Qazi has done the justice. He tells Ahmad that why he has kept his water in Qasim's well. Now Qasim has paid money for the well belongs to him. Then why Ahmad has to keep water in Qasim's property? So he tells Ahmad to remove the water from his well or pay the rent to Qasim. Children, is that possible? No. Ahmad was so confused that he did not know what to say. All the people present in the court began to laugh. But Qasim was a generous man. He never troubled Ahmad for the rent that was due from him. Yes, children, I hope you have understood the story. You enjoyed it. We should be like Qasim, a generous person, not like Ahmad, the crafty person. Okay? Now, students, please watch the PPT file for question answers. Thank you, dear children.